This is the web version of the K'NEX Serpent's Spiral roller coaster released in 2007. The full kit contains 1114 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. One thing I like about this package is that most of the pieces consist of the larger classic K'NEX, with the rest being micro K'NEX. The core structure of these coasters is built with the stronger classic K'NEX parts, which makes the finished product much less flimsy than when only micro K'NEX parts are used. There is a manual that comes with the kit that contains instructions for two roller coasters, the Serpent's Spiral and the Serpent's Tower. The version shown here is downloaded from the web and is called Bonus Idea. It uses a lot less pieces and could be used as practice before attempting the larger versions. Also, the instructions in PDF format are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included both links in the text box below.